Did you know it's possible to decode your dreams with 100% accuracy? It sounds incredible, but it's true. Let's start with a common dream symbol, water. So, what does it mean when you dream about water? First, you need to understand that every dream is about you, the dreamer. Every person, place, and thing in your dream is just a different aspect of your own consciousness. When you fall asleep, your awareness shifts from the outside world to your inner world. Your thoughts become images, and dreams are what reveal these image thoughts hidden in your subconscious. Now, let's get back to water. In dreams, water almost always represents your conscious life experiences. Think about it like this. Your mind has three main divisions. The sky represents the superconscious mind, the earth represents the subconscious mind, and water represents your day-to-day life experiences in the physical world. So when you see water in a dream, pay close attention to its condition. Was the water crystal clear? This means you have clarity and can see what's happening in your life very clearly. But what if the water was muddy and murky? That suggests you're finding it difficult to truly understand your current life situation. There's confusion clouding your perception. What was the water's movement like? Was it calm and still? This reflects a period of peace and tranquility in your life. You feel stable and at ease. On the other hand, if the water was wild and tumultuous with huge waves, it's a sign that you feel your life is chaotic and out of control right now, like you're being tossed around by powerful forces. Your interaction with the water is also key. Were you drowning? This is a powerful symbol that you're feeling completely overwhelmed by your life experiences. It feels like too much to handle. But what if you were swimming along the surface just fine, maybe even enjoying it? This is a great sign. It means you're navigating your life with confidence and ease, handling whatever comes your way. Understanding these symbols is the first step to unlocking the secrets of your mind. Every dream is a personal message, a roadmap to your inner self. If you're ready to dive deeper and gain true clarity on what your dreams are trying to tell you, I highly recommend using the Chitta Dream Decoder. It can help you piece together the puzzle and understand the profound messages from your subconscious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more dream insights.